Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
My name is Tarun, and I am here to express my views on my daily routine. First of all, I wanna give gratitude to Mr. Avi sir, who has made me able to speak English. So, first of all, I get up early in the morning, and after getting up, I go for running because doing exercise and running is good for health. And after running and doing exercise, I come back to my home and I take bath, and after taking bath I take my breakfast, and after taking my breakfast I attend my online classes at 9:30 till 12:40, and after attending my online classes I take my lunch, and after taking my lunch I take some rest for 2 or 3 hours, and after taking rest for 2 or 3 hours I attend my English speaking course, that is England Institute, whose director is Mr. Avi sir. He is a brilliant teacher and he teaches very well English, and within 3 months you can speak very well English. And after attending my speaking classes I come back to my home, and after coming back to my home I play some games with my friends, and outdoor and indoor games, and after playing some games I go to my roof and I go to my roof and do walk, and after walking I return back at my home, and I take my dinner, and after taking dinner I revise my lessons that have been taken by Mr. Avi sir at the speaking classes, and after revising the lessons and topics I go to my bed. And thank you for listening me carefully and showing me your patience.
Please tell us about yourself. Give us your introduction.
My name is Tarun Kumar, and I am 13 years of my age, and my father's name is Mr. Sunil Kumar. He is in CRPF, and my mother's name is Mrs. Ritesh Kumari. She is a good homemaker. And let me tell you something about my hobbies. My hobbies are playing cricket and reading some novels. And now let me tell you something about my qualifications. I have just completed 7th class from Dr. Viren Sarup Education Center, and I am now promoted in 8th class. And let me tell you something about my goals. My short-term goal is to complete my education, and my long-term goal is to become an Air Force commander. And that was all about myself. Thank you for listening.
Okay. So, how are you feeling after joining our classes?
So I am feeling very good after joining English classes. I can speak English very easily, and before joining English classes I can't speak English, and I couldn't speak English, and I felt very shy speak English. And after joining this institute I am able to speak English.
Are you feeling agitation?
No sir, I am not feeling agitation.
Okay. Speak something about England Institute.
England Institute is a very good institute, and the director of England Institute is Mr. Avi sir, and he is a brilliant teacher. And after you join England Institute, the hesitation before you felt some hesitation, and after joining this institute you don't feel some agitation, and you were freely able to speak English.
Okay. Will you refer your friend to this institute?
Yes sir, I will refer my friend.
Okay. And what is your strong subject?
My strong subject is English.
Say something about Farkhabad.
Farkhabad is a very good city, and I reside at Farkhabad itself. And
Okay. So, any question, anyone of you want to ask question? Why do you want to join Air Force?
so because I wanna do something for my nation.
Okay. How many siblings do you have?
I have 2 siblings, and both are younger to me.
How many months have you completed in England Institute?
I have just completed only 2 months.
2 months.
Yes sir.
Okay. Will you revise this course?
Yes sir, I will surely revise this course.
Okay. What about your sister? What is she doing?
She is also studying in England Institute, and she is studying in class 6 in Pratibha Adarsh Public School.
Okay. So guys, put your hands together for him.